Science Week in the UK, officially known as British Science Week, is an annual event that celebrates science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM). Organised by the British Science Association, it typically takes place in March and lasts for 10 days, providing an opportunity for schools, communities, and organizations to engage with science through various activities, events, and experiments. The week aims to inspire curiosity, encourage critical thinking, and highlight the impact of scientific discoveries on everyday life. British Science Week includes a wide range of events, such as hands-on workshops, public lectures, science fairs, and interactive demonstrations. Schools often participate by hosting special lessons, inviting guest speakers, and running competitions. The event is designed to be accessible to people of all ages, from young children to adults, fostering a nationwide enthusiasm for scientific exploration. Each year, the event follows a specific theme, such as Growth in 2022 or Connections in 2023, which helps guide discussions and activities. With strong support from educational institutions, research organizations, and businesses, British Science Week plays a crucial role in promoting STEM careers and lifelong learning in the UK.